Hi everybody, I'm Cody Hamill, the Client Care Manager here at Yakta. I will take you through the steps of your engine oil change. This is a very important part of your scheduled maintenance. This is the list of tools you'll need. Always ensure to turn off your battery disconnect before you complete any service items, as well as if you are using jacks to lift the machine rather than a hoist, ensure that you're using jack stands or blocks. Reference your service kits supplied by Kawasaki and Briggs for your particular engine to ensure you have the correct oil and filters. Warm up your engine prior to draining. Remove the engine cage. Locate the oil drain hose. Feed the hose to the bottom. Drain engine oil. Remove the oil filter. Replace with new oil filter. Refill engine oil with correct amount. Check your dipstick. Then run for 1 to 2 minutes. Then let sit for 2 minutes. Check your oil levels again. It's very important not to overfill. Follow the same process as seen for Briggs engines. Your drain hose is located on the opposite side. For more information, visit yakta.com.